remind me a lot of the vultures flying in your private jets and helicopters. At the expense of the poor, you built the castle. After using us, you're giving us the hustle. You feel you are so protected up in orbit. You don't know you're just another flying target. Birds that fly high, none of them ever touch the sky. Birds that fly high, you gotta fly from time to time. So flap your wings and fly. You could never touch the sky. I don't care how high you fly. You gotta fly from time to time.